I have this medicine emergency bag for you guys. Let's open it up and I'll show you guys inside. When there is nothing in it, it is nice and compact. Then as we open it up, it opens up to a lot of space in there. As you guys can see, there's lots of room in here to store everything you may need if you're gonna go camping, or if you wanna put it in your car if you're taking a long trip, or just to have it around the house to keep things organized. There's lots of different compartments in the front here. There's another little pouch where you can fit scissors and various things, and it will keep them nice and tucked in, as well as these side pouches. And then the main compartment, you can put something in here as well. So there is just tons of different ways to store items, lots of different areas to keep them nice and compact in one place. Again, I think it's great for camping, something like that, where you really need something like this when you're not at home. It's a great way to put everything in one place, so that way if there's an emergency, you can just grab this and it has everything you need. Feels like a nice quality bag with nice zippers, as you can see here, that zip up real well. And there's even a compartment on the back as well. So literally from all sides, there's place to store stuff. I think it's a great product. It is nice and convenient, and definitely pick one up for yourself.